Good morning all. So today in this class we will be discussing about the limbic system. Basically limbic system is a very complex system. It includes various structures which are situated around and below the cerebral cortex. These are the structures which are situated below the cerebral cortex, and these structures are scattered structures. They are not like a single organ or a single structure. There are multiple structures are there which are scattered below the cerebral cortex in the subcortical area. These structures together, all these structures are called as limbic system. And this limbic system has got various functions. It is a complex system, so the functions are also complex. The main function of this limbic system is to control the behavior, emotion, and various other functions are there which are indirectly related to limbic system because these structures are included in limbic system. So we will see about the limbic system now. So how we define limbic system? Limbic system is a complex system of cortical and subcortical structures that form a ring around the hilus of cerebral hemisphere. Limbus means ring. It is also known as limbic lobe. Here in this diagram you can see some of the structures which are related to limbic system. Like here you can see the mammillary body, you can see the olfactory bulb, olfactory tract, amygdaloid, hippocampus, stria terminalis, thalamus, fornix, corpus callosum, cingulate gyrus. These are some of the structures which are related to limbic system. So now next we will come to directly the functions of limbic system. The first function of limbic system is olfaction. Piriform cortex and amygdaloid nucleus form the olfactory centers, so they receive the sensation of smell. Then the second function is regulation of endocrine glands. Hypothalamus plays an important role in the regulation of endocrine secretion. So various hormones are secreted by the hypothalamus here. Then the third function is regulation of autonomic functions. Hypothalamus plays an important role in regulating the autonomic functions, such as it helps in the regulation of heart rate, blood pressure, water balance, and body temperature. Then the fourth function is regulation of food intake. Along with amygdaloid complex, the feeding center and satiety center are present in the hypothalamus, which regulates food intake. So limbic system is also indirectly related to the food intake. Then the fifth function is control of circadian rhythm. Circadian rhythm, it means various activities which are occurring there in a span of 24 hours regularly or rhythmically. This is called a circadian rhythm. It is one of the important function of hypothalamus that we have already studied. Hypothalamus is taking major role in the circadian fluctuations of various physiological activities. Then the sixth function is regulation of sexual functions, which is again a function of hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is responsible for maintaining sexual functions in both man and animals. Then the last one and the very important function is role in emotional state. Emotional state of human beings is maintained by hippocampus along with hypothalamus. So limbic system is mainly concerned with maintaining the emotional state and behavior of an individual along with hypothalamus. Then the next function is role in memory. Hippocampus and Papy circuit play an important role in memory. So limbic system helps in the storage of memory. Then the ninth function is role in motivation. There are two centers are there situated in the hypothalamus. They are called as reward and punishment centers present in hypothalamus, and other structures of limbic system. They are responsible for motivation and the behavior pattern of human beings. So these two centers, whenever the reward center is stimulated, it causes a sense of happiness or satisfaction, and whenever the punishment center is stimulated, it causes a sort of dissatisfaction, fear, or a sense of feeling of escape, etc. are produced when this punishment center is stimulated. So that is how they help in maintaining the behavior. So this is about the limbic system and various functions of